Coach,
What's going on, man?
hit you up, man. What's the best side hustle you can think of for a beginner welder?
I'm gonna have to say the best side hustle without having a lot of equipment or without breaking the bank would be doing small repairs. I would network myself for those who may have a shop and they got welders but don't know how to use them. You can just network the time. Or if you buy a small unit, you might can fix some things. That's gonna be your quickest way, using Facebook Market and small places where you can throw some of the pictures of the work you've done. And I think that's the quickest way to get started as a side hustle for a welder. Hold on.